Hello again, everyone. Had some wind damage here at Creekview Acres. I was in the house and I heard just a little bit of hail and sounded like some wind, but didn't realize it was this much. And just blow down about, we got about 50 feet of fence here that we're going to have to repair. This fence is around 15 years old, and I think you can see here what happens. These are landscape timbers I used, and they just rot, and that one wasn't too rotted, but broke off with the pressure of the wind. But there's a good example of that one. It's just rotted off at the ground level. It catches a lot of wind right here. This is kind of a high point. But anyway, we're going to try to get this taken apart. The boards are, for the most part, still okay. We got one down there that's kind of twisted, but it was like that before it blowed down. We'll try to get this apart, and we'll put these boards over on the trailer over there by the shop. Store them until we can get some new posts put back up. So let's get started. Fence taken apart, boards stashed on the trailer. That's a 16-footer, that's why I had to leave it. The plan is try to get these old broken off pieces out of the ground. Then my hole will be in the same place for my new post. We'll see, we may have to dig them out. Alright, pretty warm day today, so we got to get these posts pulled out of the ground. And that one's pretty rotted there. But what I'm doing, I'm digging out around them with the post hole diggers. And hopefully there's enough of them sticking up out of the ground that I can make me a pry bar and pull them out of there. May have to get the tractor out to do it, but I'm going to try it by hand first. Well, I think this spade's going to get the job done. Maybe keep getting a little better hold. I hope the others are that easy. Hey, didn't have to get the tractor out. I was able to get all 5 of these out with just the spade. Next, I'm going to measure the bottom of the hole to where the top of the post is, and I'm going to cut the post before I put them in the ground. Here's a new post that I bought. And these are landscape timbers, but what I like about them, they're flat on the one side. So you got better nailing surface there when you get them put in. And I also bought some metal T-posts. I've got a couple of sections on the rest of the fence there that the posts are broke. You can see I put some T-posts in those 2 right there. I need maybe 1 or 2 more down through there. And there's my mark. I just measured from the ground up to where the post needs to be. And I'll cut that off before I put it down the ground. I have our 5 new posts set. And time to put the boards back up. I've got to pull some screws and nails out of the old boards before they're ready to go back up. So those nails, Phillips head screws, Torx head screws, combination of all three. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more boards. Then I gotta go back and put the face boards on each post. There's a repaired fence. Got it all back, put back. Used 5 new posts. Was able to use the old boards. And they still look okay. They're weathered and beat up, but the rest of the fence is too, so nothing wrong with that. Now, probably tomorrow, you can see on out through there, we've got some more broken posts out here. See, there's one I've already repaired. Yeah. Got to get the tractor out here and push over on these and try to get them straightened up, and then we'll drive a couple of T-posts. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks.